you didn't know, some pretty important changes are around the corner for your marketing campaigns, Google Analytics, and the attribution model. Why the update? Mainly because Google is now focusing on the user's privacy online. So, with the end of third-party cookies and welcoming a new generation of Google Analytics, here's what to expect from web and app properties moving forward. Google Analytics has taken a turn for the better by archiving Universal Analytics this year to highlight a more insightful and powerful property, Google Analytics 4. Let's go back in time and tell you a little bit about it. The birth of Google Analytics. Google acquired the Origin Corporation in 2005, where they continued developing and improving its web solutions, anticipating would be the most efficient and complete in MarTech platforms worldwide. In 2012, the version we currently know, Universal Analytics, was released, a property including new tracking capabilities for more in-depth information analysis about the user's journeys and behavior. Created with large enterprises in mind, one of the main differences in comparison with the previous versions was the incorporation of the user ID, allowing for tracking the same user across different devices and channels. Adapting to the latest GA version. Suppose you are new to the world of Google Analytics or an expert of Universal Analytics. Whichever your case be, it is time to begin learning and adapting to a new, more complex reporting method. Okay, let me explain the update fully so you can understand and get the most out of it. If you are familiar with the traditional Google Analytics, then GA4, the newer version, may be a little difficult to digest and get used to. Google Analytics 4 or GA4, released in 2020 as the latest GA version, became a new generation of its kind due to its capability to operate across platforms like websites and apps, but also provide insights from all of these in a unified way. Let's name a few advantages of GA4. Users can be excluded based on behavior or other factors. Enhanced user reporting supported by cross-platform analysis. Quicker and simplified data management sourced from diverse platforms. Free dataset management. Real-time reports with data at a more granular level, and free query export functionality. Just from this, it goes without saying further that GA4 can measure data from many platforms and analyze information more in depth. By using Google algorithms to leverage new insights, GA4 supports businesses so that they can keep up with innovating their marketing strategy in an ever-changing digital landscape. What to expect moving forward with Google Analytics? As an exciting new property, GA4 still has some updating to do. So, while there are many Universal Analytics features you would expect, Google will be slowly but surely rolling out new updates and features week by week. As Universal Analytics tracking methodology is becoming obsolete since it relies on third-party cookies and anchors to the desktop web, GA4 has also come to the rescue to adapt to privacy control needs such as security and removing IP addresses requirement. With GA4, Google created a simple property to help customers best understand how users interact across their apps and websites in a unified way. As an added bonus, GA4 includes free BigQuery export functionality, a feature previously only available for Google Analytics 360 user. Although Universal Analytics is a much more mature measurement property, little by little, GA4 will take over as the default analytics properties in Google Analytics for the digital marketing world. So, how about adding GA4 to your to-do list? The sooner you start, the faster you master it and add a competitive edge to your marketing strategies and efforts moving forward. Takeaways. The new Google Analytics 4 property provides a complete view of the customer lifecycle across all channels. It uses that information with more predictive marketing capabilities, providing more insights and effective ways to act on that data. What are you waiting for? Undoubtedly, GA4 is the property that will significantly help optimize and implement strategies on time during your marketing efforts. If you're still using Universal Analytics, remember that by 2023, this version will be no longer available. It is in your best interest to learn how to configure and leverage the potential of GA4 soon. At our digital marketing agency, we stay up to date with every aspect related to MarTech and solutions that play essential roles in the growth of businesses online. Enjoy this video, stay tuned, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon!